Hi, thanks for watching. I'm David Barr with Berkshire Hathaway, and I wanted to go over in this video with you how to use Berkshire Hathaway's Esign program called Form Simplicity. Most of you are probably familiar with Esign programs like DocuSign, and you've probably used them in other applications in the past. But this program that we use has a couple of small quirks, and I want to go over those with you to make sure that your entire real estate process from offer to closing is as smooth as possible. So let's go over how this works. You'll get, first of all, an invite from Esign once we've completed your contract offer. You and I will sit down, go over the contract, price, terms, closing date, escrow deposit, inspection period, those kind of things. And I'll be going over the Florida real estate contract in a little bit more depth in another video, but for now I would just want to concentrate on Esign. You'll get an email from me inviting you to sign. So click the email and your screen will look like this. I've invited you to sign your contract offer, review and sign. This screen is where we run into a couple problems here because the program has its own little quirks, like I said before. Make sure I've typed your name, or your name is typed here correctly. If there's any changes, you can correct it. You can choose a signature and initials here, or you can draw your own signature and initials. I would recommend against doing that. It just kind of ends up looking like a big scribble. I would instead scroll through the options they give you here in the eSign program, find a signature that looks more like what you would normally write. And then number 3 here, this is where most of my customers have a problem. They miss this little checkbox, and I agree, it's easy to miss. It should be a little bit more prominent, but you need to click the I agree to the consumer disclosure. You need to click this box and click start. You can use this program on another device besides a laptop. You can use your tablet or you can use your cell phone. If you're using your cell phone, this form, from what I've been able to tell on my own phone, is not what they call responsive. It does not resize to the size of your device. So you're going to have to take this box that pops up from your email and drag this around on your screen until you find this little checkbox and then click start. You can pretty much skip this. You're not going to remember all these colors and the legend. This program takes care of everything for you for that. But what you want to do with this program, and this is another quirk in this particular eSign program, is that you absolutely have to use the start button to go to the field that needs to be initialed or signed. And once you do that, click next again. Don't manually scroll through the document. If you do that, you will see these fields highlighted in red and flashing like that. But unless you get to it by clicking the next button, it's not going to show that you've completed signing the document at the end of your session. So make sure you click the next button at every field that you need to fill in to make sure the program works properly. So just keep clicking next to the entire document. And unfortunately, there's a lot more documents that you'll have to sign as part of a contract offer. I'm just going through the actual contract right now to show you how the program works to make this video a little bit shorter. But make sure you click the next button to get to the next field every time to sign. Don't go through it manually. You'll run into some problems. So click next. Next one more time here to fill in the date and click the box. There's one more initial here at the bottom that a lot of people miss. And then you want to click next. So if you've done everything correctly, you'll get a message that says everything has been completed and it asks you if you would like to complete your signing session. Click yes. If for some reason you miss one of these fields here that's flashing, or if you click this without having clicked the next button to get there, you're not going to get this message. It's going to take you all the way back to the top. What you'll have to do is click next. Click on the box. It looks like there's going to be information in that box or in that field that's flashing. You're going to click on it to clear it. You're going to click on it one more time to put the information back in. So that's one area where my customers have a little bit of a trouble when they do this or get ahead of themselves or forget to use the next orange button to get to the next field. So click yes. And it takes a little bit of time depending on your internet connection, and you should get this message that pops up: congratulations, your signing session is complete. Once that happens, you're going to go back to your email account and click on the inbox. It says signing complete. It's time to e-sign your offer contract. You're going to download the document. This is not the fully executed contract, which means that we have signatures from you and the seller and everything is completed and agreed to. You're just going to be able to download your offer documents here. So you have a copy of it if you want for your file. So you can download the document you just signed here. It will save it as a PDF wherever you instruct it to on your device or on your laptop. You don't have to bother sending it to me. The program sends me the exact same email that you get where I can download your offer document. From there, I can take it and submit it electronically to the listing agent and to the seller so we can get your negotiations started on your Sarasota, Venice, or Lakewood Ranch property that you're interested in. So that's it. That's how to use Esign. It's a little bit of a quirky program. If you follow the directions to the letter, you should have no problem. And if you do have problems, I work with a lot of buyers. I'll be able to help you work through it, and we'll get everything ready for you, and we'll get you on the road to purchasing your property here in Florida. Thanks for listening. I'm David Barr with Berkshire Hathaway. See you soon.